guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement with the focus being on intervening phrases and clauses. Intervening phrases and clauses. The number of a subject usually is not determined by a word in a phrase or a clause following the subject. For example, this CD is by Bob Marley and the Wailers. This CD of songs is by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Let's look at the sentences closely. This CD is by Bob Marley and the Wailers. This CD of songs is by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Is agrees with the subject CD, not with songs, which is part of the prepositional phrase of songs. Remember that the subject of a sentence is never in a prepositional phrase. For example, the characters represent abstract ideas. The characters used in an allegory represent abstract ideas. Let's look at these sentences more closely. The characters represent abstract ideas. The characters used in an allegory represent abstract ideas. Represent agrees with the subject characters, not with allegory, which is part of the participial phrase used in an allegory. Let's look at this example. The Great Barrier Reef lies off northeastern Australia. The Great Barrier Reef, which supports many marine animals, lies off northeastern Australia. Let's look at these sentences more closely. The Great Barrier Reef lies off northeastern Australia. The Great Barrier Reef, which supports many marine animals, lies off northeastern Australia. Lies agrees with the subject Great Barrier Reef, not with animals, which is part of the adjective clause which supports many marine animals. Do not be misled by a phrase that begins with a compound preposition such as along with, as well as, in addition to, and together with. Such a phrase does not affect the number of the subject. For example, the teacher, as well as her students, was fascinated by the exhibit. Teacher is a singular subject. Therefore, it takes a singular verb phrase, was fascinated. However, if the sentence reads, the students, as well as their teacher, were fascinated by the exhibit. Students is a plural subject. Therefore, it takes a plural verb phrase, were fascinated. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.